Jungle.
The goals for this project are: 1. To apply the concept of neural networks to a real-life example. 2. To demonstrate the variety of applications of neural networks in our daily lives. 3. To offer a solution for the problem of traffic on the 2nd Street of Abroges by applying neural networks.
An artificial neural network (ANN) is a model based on the structure and functions of biological neural network. The information that flows through the network affects the structure because a neural network changes or learns in a sense based on that input and output. An artificial neural network are also considered nonlinear statistical data modeling tools where the complex relationships between inputs and outputs are modeled or patterns are found.
The idea behind neural networks is that we have nodes that have connection between them. To get a neural net to do something, we introduce an input that triggers the system in order to produce good results. It's important to distinguish that there are two kinds of nodes in a neural network: input nodes and output nodes. There are directed connections between them that allow us to know where the connections are going to. Each of these connections have different values or weights in order to decide which connections is more important to teach the system to produce the expected outputs. Here the output is known, so we repeat the same learning process circuit with different combinations till we get the expected output.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Our project consists in the development of an intelligent traffic light system for the 2nd Street of Abroges, applying neural network technology. It was identified in 2 of Abroges Street. There is a large flow of students and automotive vehicles. For both involved is harmful in some cases wait for the police or charge direct traffic routes. We propose as a solution incorporating an intelligent traffic light which works through learning neural network to direct traffic in the sector identified and thus dispense with transit officials. The light will work through learning neural network, which is in charge of evaluating the amount of traffic of cars and pedestrians and to decide the color of light that will present this method. The expected benefits are: students will no longer have to wait for the charge of road management having to appear at readily risk crossing the street to enter their respective classes. Car drivers, the transit of the street will be more fluid and expedite traffic.